Hi, I'm Raymond St. Ledger.
And I'm Tamitha O'Brien, and we're excited to offer this course, Genes in the Human Condition, From Behavior to Biotechnology. I'll begin this course by introducing you to some key concepts and terms used in genetics.
And then we're going to discuss how do we study genomes. And we'll see that the power of genomics is in comparisons. Through comparing genomes, we learn that they're not just parts lists. Genomes are also history books, and they contain some remarkable stories. So, for example, we have genomes from these guys, the Neanderthals. By comparing the Neanderthal genome with our own, geneticists are addressing how they likely differ from us in ecology, in lifestyle, in diet, in cognitive skills, and in language. And that's particularly fascinating because it's allowing us to identify which genes changed very recently in us, giving us an edge, allowing us to be the world conquerors, while the last of the poor old Neanderthals died out 25,000 years ago.
Personal genomes are ushering a new era of self-knowledge. In the next few years, you'll be able to have your genome sequenced for a few $100s. With all that information available to you, you might actually start wondering, just how well do you want to know yourself?
So we'll also look at how your genome might compare with other people. How are you similar to each other? Why are you different? So one really crucial aspect of this course is going to focus on behavior.
Ray and I'll discuss how certain genes can predispose some of us to be saints and other psychopaths. We'll examine the genes that give you a personality and how those genes work with the environment. The environment will be key in our discussions. You might have genes that could have awful consequences if they were ever turned on, but because of your lifestyle, they aren't.
Well, thanks in large part to genomics, we're beginning to understand the living processes that actually constitute ourselves, where we can begin to intervene to take control of our own future. So one way we can intervene is by genetic engineering.
Genetic engineering has already changed what you eat, the medicines you take, and one day it'll likely change how long you live.
And if we do what some advocate and genetically engineer people, we could actually change how we define ourselves as humans. But the future could be even more radical than that, because scientists today already envisage creating new life forms from scratch. And we're entering a world where social and political considerations may be the only brakes on biotechnology.
So if you're interested in learning more about yourself and the impacts of modern genetics on your life, this is a course you should take.
To succeed in this course, you're not going to need a strong background in the life sciences or genetics. We're going to provide you with the information you'll need. We look forward to having you in our class.
We think you'll enjoy it.